Ever wonder how editors make text glide across the screen, photos zoom smoothly onto a face, or effects appear and disappear on beat? It's not magic. It's all done with one powerful feature. Today, we're unlocking the secret of keyframing. First of all, we will understand how keyframes work. Add a background first, then add the asset to the timeline and remove its background by the chroma key option. Decrease its size, then add text to the timeline. Stretch it to the end of the 5 seconds mark. Type an underscore from your keyboard and create a line. Place this line at the bottom of the screen and apply a glow from the Video Basic tab. Set its range to around 50 and intensity to around 25. Now place the car on the line and head over to the Video Basic tab and apply the transformation keyframe by clicking on the diamond icon. Move the playhead to the end of the clips and drag the car from left to right. The keyframe will be created automatically. This is how the keyframing works. Now move on to our first segment, change colors in graphics. Add a background and then add text. Type a dot in the text box and increase its size. Now place this dot at the left side and add the initial keyframe here. Move the playhead a few frames forward and drag this dot ball upward. The keyframe will be created automatically. Move the playhead again and drag the ball towards the bottom side of the screen. After that, move the playhead to the end of the text and drag the ball towards the right side. Play it and check the results. Now duplicate this dot text. Select the keyframe of the duplicated text and add a keyframe at the white color. Then select the second keyframe and change the color to red. A keyframe will be created automatically at color position. Move towards the third keyframe. Simply click on the diamond icon, because we used the red color for the third keyframe. For the last keyframe, change the red color to white again. Preview it for the results. The movement of the ball looks linear, so we are going to apply an auto curve from the presets. Choose the Y position and select all the keyframes one by one and apply the auto curve. Repeat this process for the duplicated layer. Now play this animation and check the results. Move on to our second animation, which is morning and evening. Bring your background to the timeline and then add some random area of a village. Remove its background from the chroma key option and set its intensity to around 10. Decrease its size a little bit. Now add a graphic of the sun and remove its background. After this, decrease its size and place it at the left side. Let's animate this. Move the playhead to the beginning of the clips and head over to the Video Basic tab and add a transformation keyframe. After this, move the playhead few frames forward and drag the sun towards the top center. Move the playhead a few frames forward again and add another keyframe. For the final keyframe, move the playhead to the end of the clips and drag the sun towards the right center. Now play it and see what we have got. You can see the sun is moving linearly. Click right from your mouse on the sun clip and choose Show Variable Speed Animation. Head over to the Y position and select all the keyframes and apply Quad Out from the preset curves. Make necessary adjustments and hide these curves. Now select the second clip and move the playhead to the beginning. Then head over to the Video Basic tab and set the opacity to around 30% and add a keyframe here. Copy attributes for this clip and set opacity to 100% for second and third keyframes, and for the fourth keyframe set it to 30% again. And here is the final result. Number 3 is object tracking. Add your assets to the timeline and remove the green background. Decrease its size and place it the left bottom side of the screen. Then, head over to the Video Basic tab and add a transform keyframe. Afterwards, move the playhead to the end of the clip and drag the car towards the right side. The keyframe will be created automatically when you stop the car. After this, add text, type your desired text and place it on the car. Add a keyframe here by selecting the text on the timeline. Then move the playhead to the end of the clip and drag the text towards the right side and place it on the car. Set the position of text for its y-axis. And there you have it. Number 4 is the tilt effect. Add the video to the timeline and resize it. Select the video and add first keyframe. Move the playhead a few frames forward and rotate the video to 11 degrees. For removing black corners, upscale the video. Move the playhead few frames forward and rotate the video to 0 degrees. The keyframe will create automatically. For the last keyframe, move the playhead to the end of the video and rotate the video to -11 degrees. And here is the final result. Number 5 is a 360-degree rotation. Head over to the Stickers tab, download and add it to the timeline. Stretch it to the 5-second mark and make it smaller. After this, add a transformation keyframe, then move the playhead to the center of the sticker and rotate it to 180 degrees. Move the playhead to the end of the sticker and rotate this sticker 360 degrees. And there you have it. Add the video to the timeline and resize it. Select the video and click on the adjustment. Then add default keyframes at the saturation. For the third keyframe, turn down the saturation. Add the fourth keyframe in the same position. For the fifth keyframe, slide up the saturation. You can control any adjustment from the keyframes.